Also have the full lift stock for the 4M50 and finish the strict processing and also the dealing and make. Also we take all the text. We'll show you the text video with the pressure, and we also have text the leaking for the air and the water. And later we will finish the packing, and we also have the series number. You can check the series number. You can check each aspect, each process. They have the picture to show this engine is okay or not. Show you the review workshop how to review the 4M50 for Mitsubishi. Okay, now this is an old engine. Later we will do the finish the review, and we have a lot of the old engine. Later we have the finish. This is a clean. This is a clean. Okay, this is an ultrasonic clean inside the gate rock. Okay, and this one is an install workshop. Okay, this one is an install workshop. This is an install workshop, and the people install here. Each one do it. Okay, this one is a cylinder and cylinder head. Later we do the polishing machine. Do the polishing because you need to see the very flat here. Okay, this is a finished review. Okay, each one we have the record. Each one we have the record here. Have the book record. Okay, have the series number we can check, and also have the many old machine. Okay, have many finished review. Okay. Okay, many stock. Okay, the leaking the color. We will change the color. Okay, we see it. Okay, we test the 4M50 and with the tester. Okay, the color. Okay, we text for it. Text the turbocharger. Okay, finish. We also can do it without paint and the finish paint and finish box. Okay, have the box here, the stock for engine. How to keep the engine is dry? Firstly, we use the clean water to make it, and the block here, and use the engine cooler to make it hold out. And later we use the chemical water to put it again. Make chemical water. Later we use the air gun to put it. Make this inside is dry. And later we will know how is the condition for this Mitsubishi engine, because we see the making date and series number. We can check in the Mitsubishi system. Okay, see this because this is the wearing titan return, and also we get the natural gun put it here, so we can keep this engine dry, and also we will be can put a long time. Right wheel also emptied rock dealing. Okay, we also have the second hand, have the make sure we fit the Mitsubishi, the crankshaft. And okay, this is a tier 4, 4M50, and this is the tier 4. This is a waste stick valve. Okay, and this is a turbo EGR. Okay, this is without paint, but more cheaper.